In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know how to find Wix from a quick Google search, open your site from the Wix dashboard, and use Wix AI to add parallax scrolling to your page for that polished, professional depth effect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. Look for the official Wix result, which should clearly indicate it's the main site. Click through to Wix. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account credentials. If you're already signed in, you should land on your main dashboard where your sites are listed. From your Wix dashboard, locate the site you want to work on. On the site's card or within its overview page, click Design Site. Depending on your setup, this may also appear as Edit Site, but it serves the same purpose. It opens the site editor. Give the editor a moment to load fully. Larger sites or media-heavy pages may take a little longer. Once the editor opens, you're in the right place to make visual changes. Inside the editor, find the Wix AI Assistant. This is typically shown as an AI or sparkle icon, or a panel labeled Wix AI. Click it to open the prompt area. In the prompt, type exactly. Add parallax scrolling. Parallax scrolling creates a sense of depth by making background images move more slowly than the foreground content as you scroll, which is great for hero sections and image-rich strips. After you submit the prompt, the AI will suggest or apply changes to the relevant section. If your page doesn't already have a section with a background image, the effect may be subtle or not visible, so consider focusing on a strip or hero area that features a large background. Use the built-in preview to scroll the page and confirm the motion feels smooth and natural. If the AI provides options, choose the one that best matches your design style and let it apply the effect automatically. That's all there is to it. You used Google to quickly reach Wix, opened your site from the dashboard via Design Site, and leveraged Wix AI to add parallax scrolling with a single, clear prompt. Keep refining by adjusting your content sections and imagery so the effect enhances your story without distracting from it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy elevating your site's visual impact with a professional scrolling experience.